We are one, came to fight us. Let them come and try us. We gon' stand together. Put our hands together. We are one, came to fight us.
Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Today's a vlog. Today's a Saturday. I'm on my way to set. I'm with my dad.
I'm not being introduced.
I'm with my dad. I'm actually really late. It's 9 o'clock right now. Call time is 9 o'clock. And how far is that place?
It's about 50 kilometers. You're going to be driving at the speed of 200 kilometers an hour. So we're expected
Hold
to
on.
be there.
Let me answer the phone, sir. Hello? Hi. Call time. How to call time? Oraya pick up time. I can call time. Emma. Oh. It's okay, but at least it's fine. At least I'll be there.
Good Lord.
No, how to call time? Like call time to me is be here at 9. Then he'll live.
I haven't had my breakfast, you know. It's 11 o'clock. Jesus.
I'm with. Okay, no.
I'm driving like a minion.
Emma.
I'm employed.
Okay, no, sharp.
You pay me now. Now, pay.
Oh, I'm not late. Yay! I'm actually super early. Call time was as in for 9 o'clock. Another thing is, okay, call time to me, call time is be there, be at the studios at 9, you know. So if you say call time is at 9, for me I'm like, okay, so that means, because the place is about like an hour out of town. So if you tell me really call time is at 9, that means you're saying I should be there at 9, but instead pickup time at the pickup spot is at 9 for us to be there at 10. Anyway, I can kind of relax now. Sorry, father.
I can we are supposed to be there. What are you living?
No, 10. By men like at 9, but pick up at 9 for us to be there.
Oh, that's why they're calling you how you're hiding.
No, I'm running a bit late. But I'm being.
So you're very professional, eh?
So that's how you're supposed to do things. Honestly, communication is key. Even if you are late or there are circumstances and at least just communicate. But anyway, so I did my hair yesterday. This is my hair. I'm not sure about it, but it is what it is. Also, I'm vlogging from a new camera.
It looks terrible.
Of course, people are going to be jealous. Ignore people who are jealous of your progress. Enemies of progress. It's okay.
Let's cut your hair. Look at that. Ooh, shit.
Oh my gosh. Fun fact, I'm super afraid of tracks. Wow, my knee hurts. My lower back hurts. I did not tell my mother because I know her. She's going to not necessarily fuss, but she's going to be a mom, and I don't want her to worry about me. But I'm gonna try and power through, because when you
just tell me so that I get worried.
No, I'm fine.
I'm worried.
Guys, I've been through a lot worse.
I'm worried.
Anyway, guys, I will let me read through my stuff and yeah, prepare. Say bye-bye.
Hi, bye-bye guys. See you.
wish you would. I you could.
Hi guys. So I'm here. Sorry if I keep looking up the viewfinder, and I'm still getting used to the new camera. I'm having breakfast, an egg sandwich and coffee. Even though I had my shake in the morning, but I'm still hungry. But anyway, I'm here, and it's gonna be a very long day. It's gonna be it's gonna be a really, really long day. But I'm excited, anxious, excited. But yeah, it's gonna be a great Saturday. Tomorrow I'm at church. I'll be serving. I'm praying that my voice will be fine, because I got here and some people's voices were like slightly messed up. So I'm hoping that won't happen to me. But yeah, let me finish eating, because after this I'll be rehearsing with one of my scene partners, and yeah, it's gonna be great. I'm excited. I'm very excited. I hope that you guys will have a great Saturday. I don't know when I'm gonna check in with you guys, but I'll keep checking in with you guys throughout the weekend, and yeah, be excited.
Give it what you did. Give it what you give. When I get all I can take, it is no mistake. Give it what you give. Take it or leave it, baby, believe it. I'm gonna make it, I really mean it. Take it or leave it, we can achieve it. Never mistake it, I really mean it.
Hi guys, it is around 8 o'clock. No, I'm lying. I think it's like past 7. Yeah. We are still here. Still filming. I'm just waiting for my next scenes. And yeah. But I'm tired, I'm hungry. But it's all good. It's all good. At least I'm chilling now. I'm gathering myself. I'm just waiting. But tomorrow I'll be at church. I'll be serving. It is well, guys. It is well. Hi guys. So as you can see, I'm up. It's Sunday. We got offset at 5 o'clock. My sister's here to pick me up. Say hi.
Hi guys. How you doing?
Oh, it's Mother's Day. Everybody say Happy Mother's Day to my
me.
sister.
Yay.
And to my mom. And to all the mommies that are on
All
here.
the yummy mummies.
Yes.
Y'all are slaying while doing it. We appreciate you guys.
Very much.
Alrighty.
So, it is 9:30. I'm making my way where? To church. I laugh because I feel like my voice is so tired. I feel like I am tired, and I feel like I look tired.
No, you don't.
I don't. Thank you, Jesus. I realized I don't even have foundation, so I couldn't even put on.
You don't.
I couldn't even put on foundation.
So cute.
Really? Thanks. Stop. So we finished filming. I love bus driver. I wish you guys had seen it.
Where is he from?
Why keeps her out?
Where is he from? What is he doing? Listen, don't do that.
I feel like I know. I can carry all the way. No.
Yeah.
So we finished at 5. I slept in costume, literally. I took off my makeup and I slept in costume. And I was up 2 hours later. But I'm here. But anyway, so I'm told to be there. I'm not about that life. So I'm off to church, and that's that. There's nothing else to say. I'll check in with you guys later. I don't know when, but later. So yeah, sharp. Alright guys, I'm going to end this vlog here because I'm exhausted. I'm finally home. I managed to get through the service, well, part of it, but then now I'm just like feeling really sore. So I'm gonna go eat, take a bath, and then sleep because I'm extremely tired. I'm really tired. But I had a really great, it was a great shoot. I'm very proud of myself because I powered through the things that I needed to do. Oops, sorry. I powered through the things that I needed to do, the things that needed my attention, the things that needed me to be present. I was there, and I'm very proud of myself. I stretched myself yesterday. I stepped a little bit out of my comfort zone, and I'm happy about that. I'm proud of myself for that. Please ignore my face because it's just a mess. I need to like do some proper skincare stuff because makeup on my body just like it's like yeah, it was just it was a lot. Okay, but yeah, like I said, I'm proud of myself for powering through yesterday's shoot and powering through today's praise and worship. I am happy. Tired but happy. And yeah, I guess this is going to be the end of the vlog. I hope that you did enjoy the vlog, and if you did, please do give it a thumbs up to let me know. Comment down below. Like I said, happy Mother's Day to all the lovely mummies, to your mummy, to your grandmothers, your aunts, you know, all of that. Happy Mother's Day to them. And do make sure to say happy Mother's Day, even though this vlog is gonna go up afterwards. But anyway, also subscribe if you haven't already, and join this you're such a problem.
Subscribe, guys. She's funny. She's weird. Yeah, and yeah. No, I look really
pretty.
horrible.
I look horrible.
I look horrible, guys. I tried to do a little duknyana. It's not working, but you know, the hair is not like it's not working as well today.
Yeah,
but
no.
please do subscribe. Then you get to see this pretty face, and I mean me, myself, and I. And then I'll add her once in a while. You know what I mean? But yeah, her stories are kind of entertaining. Her boring life is very entertaining. Bye.
Bye guys. Yeah, she did say subscribe. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in my next video or vlog. Ciao.